Hi everybody, this is Noble Swan, a spiritual space where we try and delve into universal meanings behind your worldly experiences. Today we're going to perform a pick a card to tune into the energies which you must be ready for in the upcoming 30 days. Take a moment to tune in with the cards. Select any one of pile 1, which is the purple card, or pile 2, which is the emerald green card, and I will see you at your reading. Hello to all of those who were drawn to card 1. These are your messages. These are the things that you should be looking out for the upcoming 30 days. You're going to be in a very spiritually attuned moon. Pile number 1, whoever has joined me for a reading for pile number 1, okay? This is one of the most exquisite energies, the energy of the High Priestess. This is an all-knowing energy, pile 1. All you need to do to access this infinite treasure trove within you, this all-knowing power of your own intuition, you simply need to meditate more in the upcoming 30 days. If you feel called to spend time in solitude, heed that call. There are some answers which your subconsciousness, which your higher self is trying to get through to it. By spending time in nature, by spending time alone, listening to healing music, meditating, not only are you going to establish this connection with your own higher self, albeit whatever the messages which come through, okay, they may seem very profound to you, profound to the extent you may find yourself thinking, was that my own thought? That indeed was an insight which is being released to you from your intuition. You could be a water sign watching this reading, a very spiritual person, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but the energy of Pisces is strong here. Right. So there may be a point in the upcoming 30 months where you may find yourself at a crossroad of sorts, okay? And at that crossroads, you just don't know in which direction you should make that decision. One decision weighs the other equally, outweighs the other equally, okay? So there's going to be some days we're going to experience an energy of being stagnant, of a stalemate, of you unable to move forward because of you being unable to make a decision. And the guidance for that here is follow your intuition, okay? Not your logic. This time around, it is your intuition. If you look at this bird, and we've got the High Priestess card towards this side of the bird, and we have the feminine looking at this bird as if she's going to emphasize her intuitive powers while making a decision. You're also being asked to keep all an analytical, logical things that your brain is telling you and listen to the inner voice of your mind, of your heart, if you will. Okay, and I do feel this is going to be a major decision in terms of the impact it will have on your physical, material stability and prosperity for the long term. Right. Now, as you do make this decision from your intuition, you may find that not everyone around you is quite welcoming of that decision, and naturally so, because we all come from our own vantage points of looking at things. But this time you are correct. This time, pile number 1, you are correct. You're on a morally higher ground, okay? Now there may be people from whom you may find yourself defending your own ideals, your own belief systems, your own strategies of making decisions. But whatever decision you do make, and I do hope you make it from your heart, it is going to be the right decision. You know this now, your heart knows this now. Maybe the people around you may not know this now. But in the future, if you continue to be morally upright, if you continue to be ethical in your decision making, there's going to be a time not so far in the future when they will retrospectively look back at your decision making and respect you for it. So hold your ground, my dear pile number 1. These have been your energies that you should be on the lookout for the upcoming 30 days. Bye. Welcome to all those who were drawn to this card, pile number 2. Let's take a look at the cards which come through. I've already have your cards pulled out and shuffled. These are the energies that you should be on the lookout for the upcoming 30 days. Brilliant. So you've been busy, pile number 2. I see you've been busy working first on your own self, and then through the refinement of your own inner self, through the polishing of your own inner self, you have made yourself capable, okay? You have put in effort of making yourself capable in order to perfect a skill now, okay? A more materialistic or a more physically related skill. You could be working on a hobby, on a particular art skill, performing skill, creative skill, making skill, whatever. And in the next 30 days, in the upcoming month, is when you're going to see how it is going to benefit your life, okay? I see the upcoming 30 days as the time frame of when you will start receiving the fruits, the first fruits. Somehow the phrase first fruits of your labor is coming through. The upcoming 30 days is also a time where you should bring back, withdraw your attention from the needs of others and cater to your own needs. Attend to your own desires in the upcoming 30 months, pile number 2. This is a time for you to emerge as independent. Now, as you do start experiencing, witnessing the inflow of this prosperity as a result of the hard work which you've been putting in to master a specific field in your life, as you start experiencing independence, one word of caution for you in the upcoming 30 days is to try and not rub it in people's faces. Okay? Now, both of these cards coming in conjunction let me know that whatever it was that you have invested yourself in could be something that others around you were not very encouraging of. Okay? Take what resonates and leave the rest. However, if it does resonate, a message from the universe for you is that as the bounties come in, try and be humble. Do not see a battle where there is none. Beautiful. Now, when you do decide to take the higher road, you will find yourself in a very flowing space. Whatever this is which you've managed to earn in your life for yourself, you will find yourself putting towards the end of the upcoming month, all right? Towards the end of these 30 days, you will be using this bounty to further manifest desirable outcomes in your life. It could be helping another person start up. It could be propelling your own business, propelling your own venture, your initiative, whatever it is. And while being the bigger person, You channelize these bounties. The universe is here to support you. The universe is here to ensure that your dreams take flight, okay? You will have, for the first time in a very long time, all the resources required for this to begin. Be it your inner motivation levels, energy levels, enthusiasm, be it physical resources, tangible resources, be it emotional support, support of other people in your social network, whatever it is, you are ready. By the end of these upcoming 30 days, my dear pile 2, you will find that things have come in place for you. All that will remain for you to do is be present and perform your magic. What a lovely reading, pile 2. I hope this helped. Till we meet next. Bye.